Right guys, we've just been to Morrison's and we also had to go and buy Vinny a new phone because he's broke his other one to watch his YouTube. Right, so we're going to be using cooking now. So Vinny, right, we've got apples, we're doing apples. We're going to be using some broccoli maybe. We've got salmon. We've got some more salmon. That's what we need, this one. We need this one. We've got some grapes. We've got some steak. And some asparagus. Did you say asparagus? Not bad. And then in this one we've got, that's what we need that one. That is our beef mince. We've got some peanut butter. We've got some of these. What are these called then? What are these called?
Orange.
Orange. And what are these then? Eggs. Right, so me and Vinny are going to be doing some cooking, so keep watching. So the first job we've got is to do some chopping up, so Vinny's going to do that. So Vinny, he normally just bites it and then just does that. So Vinny's going to chop those up. Right, so Vinny's doing a great job there chopping them up. So Vinny, are you going to put all this inside there? Put it all in here, please. Good boy. Good boy. And while Vinny's doing that, don't forget to hit the follow button for more Savvy Meal ideas. So Vinny's just made up 500 millilitres of vegetable and beef stock mixed together. He's giving it a stir now, and then Vinny's going to pour it into here. You're going to put it in stir, Vin? Tip that into there, if you can. Good boy. Clever boy. Such a clever little boy, aren't you?
Look.
Very good. Right, then we're going to do the rest. Yeah?
Yeah.
There we go. And that's in there. And then, Vinny, we're going to put these in.
Alright.
Just tip all the potatoes in, mate. Let's get them all in, mate. And then we've got our meat. So 500 grams of British lean beef casserole meat. £5.61 from Morrison's Butchers. I couldn't believe the price of them steaks. Look at that. £20, 10 pence for 2 steaks. I looked at the pre-packaged ones and I thought, hang on, they're only £8 for 2. What's the difference? So, yeah. Schoolboy error, go and get the pre-packaged ones. But this meat looks unbelievable, look at that. Oh, that looks really lean and fresh. Very, very nice. Check that out. Right, I'm going to put this in there, meat in. You got the potatoes in there? Get them spuds in. Doing a great job, you. And then Daniel get the stuff we've put in. You get salt, pepper, garlic. Do you put garlic in it or what? Do you put garlic in, Vinny? Vinny? So put garlic in. Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah. What else do we need? What did you say? Just some like mixed herbs.
Potato.
Potatoes.
Yeah.
Garlic and mixed herbs. We'll put some mixed herbs as well.
Apples.
Good job. Right, can you put some mixed herbs in? Okay, can you put a bit of that in? I don't know how much you put in. Not bad. Give it a good shake. Very good boy. Right, in this one. So that's the mixed herbs in, and then I'm going to put some garlic in. Oof. Have a smell of it. Oh, that'll do. Do you like garlic?
Yeah.
Okay. Right, and then some salt, and then you press that button there.
Alright.
Yep, perfect. And then some pepper, please.
Okay.
You're doing very good, Vinny. Oh, look, one fell out. Perfect. And then we give it a mix in. Give it a good mix up everywhere.
Wait, my daddy.
Okay, sorry. You just give it a good mix up everywhere. And there you go, as easy as that. The easiest casserole you'll ever cook, ever. And it's going to be absolutely amazing. Yeah, so come back in a bit and see what it looks like. And that is ready. Come and have a look at this now. Right, Vinny, look at that bubbling away. So we've had that on now all day. Oh my word. How good does that look? And I'm just making now some stuffing to go with it. But there you go, really nice, quick, easy. Slow cooker meal.